Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best essential oils that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Young Living Thieves Essential Oil. The Thieves oil is one of the Young Living most popular products. And for a good reason. This powerful aromatic blend with a rich, spicy scent really works miracles and offers the truly unmatched versatility of use. Mix 1 drop of the Thieves oil with 4 drops of all-natural V6 trademark vegetable oil complex from Young Living or an organic olive oil. Apply the blend to your wrist. To enhance the fragrance, you can apply it several times. If you want to get rid of bad breath or you suffer from sore gum, simply add a couple of oil drops to your toothpaste and brush your teeth as you usually do. It will refresh your breath and reduce inflammation. Meanwhile, a soap with essential oils will soften the skin of your hands as well as soothe fissures and irritations. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Radha Beauty Essential Oils. Radha Beauty offers its biggest collection of 16 pure organic oils packed in one amazing kit. You can use them either individually or create your own unique combinations for achieving maximum therapeutic effect. Floral, citrus, herbal, and exotic scents included will bring a myriad of smell sensations to stabilize your mood, restore your emotional balance and harmony, shake off stress and tension, and boost your vital energy. These pure botanical extracts will empower all your internal resources while strengthening your immune system and promoting healthy metabolism. Regular aromatherapy sessions can also increase human body resistance to infections and viruses, improve your respiratory system, and increase stamina. At number 3, we have the doTERRA Essential Oils. The intro kit from doTERRA makes a perfect gift set for anyone who is new to essential oils. The set includes 3 most popular lemon, peppermint, and lavender pure organic extracts that are known for their life-enhancing properties, cosmetic and dietary benefits. Lemon oil is a top-note oil which very quickly permeates in the air, filling it with rich aroma of freshly picked fruit. It also contains coumarins that think blood by stimulating circulation and restoring blood vessels. Not surprisingly, lemon oil is often used in aromatherapy as well as compresses, nothing to say of its distressing and revitalizing properties. The classic lavender scent is one of the best relaxants and emotional state stabilizers. A richly saturated aroma and numerous health benefits of lavender oil make it a universal essence used for many different applications, from adding to skincare products to making flavor enhancers and using during massage sessions. At number 2, we have the Eden's Garden Essential Oil. Before taking painkillers or spasmolytics, try to apply the Muscle Relief Oil blend from Eden's Garden to the sore area. This well-balanced blend is made of premium quality organic oils used to help brush off stress, relieve pain, and alleviate aches. It's totally health safe without any side effects or allergic reactions. A fabulous combination of clove, helichrysum, peppermint, and wintergreen oils works great for treating different types of pain, including physical, while the cooling effect of the Synergy blend helps inflammation and reduces swelling. The rich minty aroma will gift you with the restoring warmth while taking off emotional tensions and stress after a hard day at work. And finally, at number 1, we have the Radha Beauty Peppermint Essential Oil. The oil is steam distilled, and you can tell by how clean and true the scent is. I use it for a variety of purposes: aromatherapy, relaxation, laundry, meditation, even adding a few drops to a diffuser during yoga or massage sessions. It's incredibly versatile and has a lovely natural scent that doesn't feel artificial or overpowering. Radha Beauty has remained my preferred essential oil brand because of their consistent quality and excellent value. I highly recommend this lavender oil and their other oils to anyone looking for reliable therapeutic grade products for daily use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.